Hey everyone, welcome to AI Side News. Today we're diving into the world of AI chatbots. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. By the end of this essay, you'll be able to build your own chatbot. It will be as easy as sending a text message. We'll start with the basics. Then we'll walk through each step of the process. Are you ready? Like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more. Let's get started. This is going to be fun. So what exactly is an AI chatbot? Imagine a little computer program. This program can understand what you type. It can even respond to you. It's like texting with a really smart robot. These AI chatbots are everywhere. You might find them on websites. They can answer your questions. They can help you find things. Some chatbots are just for fun. You can chat with them about anything. See? Simple. Now let's learn how to build one. Before we start building, we need a plan. What do we want our chatbot to do? Should it answer questions, tell jokes, maybe help people order food? Let's say we want a chatbot for a pizza restaurant. Our chatbot can greet customers. It can tell them about the menu. It can even take orders. Yummy! Having a clear purpose will make building our chatbot much easier. Now let's choose a platform to build our chatbot. Think of this as choosing the building blocks for our robot. A great platform for beginners is called Dialogflow. It's like a pre-built robot kit. Dialogflow makes it super easy to create smart and friendly chatbots. With Dialogflow, we don't need to write complicated code. It's like having a team of robot experts helping us out. Section 5, Step 3, set up your Dialogflow account. First things first, we need to create a Dialogflow account. It's free and easy to do. Just head over to the Dialogflow website and sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard. This is our chatbot's control center. Here, we can create and manage our chatbot. Think of this dashboard as our robot's brain. We'll be telling it what to do and how to respond. Section 6, Step 4, creating intents and responses. Now for the fun part, teaching our chatbot how to talk. We do this by creating intents and responses. An intent is what the user wants to do. For example, ordering a pizza. The response is what our chatbot says back. So, for the order pizza intent, we can add responses like, sure, what kind of pizza would you like? Or, got it. What toppings would you like on your pizza? The more intents and responses we add, the smarter our chatbot becomes. Section 7, Step 5, testing and refining your chatbot. Our chatbot is almost ready. But before we unleash it on the world, we need to test it. Try typing different phrases into the chatbot. See how it responds. If it gets confused, we can adjust the intents and responses. Testing helps us make sure our chatbot is friendly, helpful, and fun to talk to. Section 8. Conclusion. Launching your chatbot into the world. Congratulations! You've built your very own AI chatbot. Now it's time to share it with the world. You can easily integrate your chatbot into your website or app. This way, people can start chatting with it right away. Be proud of what you've accomplished. You've taken your first steps into the amazing world of AI. Section 9. Keep exploring the world of AI. This is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn about AI and chatbots. Explore different platforms. Experiment with new features. The possibilities are endless. Keep learning, keep building, and keep having fun with AI.